Assalamualaikum grade 2. How are you? Hope you're fine. I am fine too. Hope you're enjoying and having a good time, and I am also having a good time. So let's write a date today, that is 10 September 2020. So open your books, primary mathematics, open page number 39, and let's start. Now we will do subtraction within thousands. You remember ones, hundred, and thousand. Today our lecture is very interesting. So let's start. Our first problem is 345 minus 219. So let's write this problem again. 345 minus 219. So this is ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds. So we will write in a diagram form. Hundreds, tens, and ones. So in subtraction, we always start from ones. Now we can see, as we have to subtract this number from 345, we will draw our blocks here. So 3 blocks for hundreds. Now class 2, you remember very well that in one block there are 100 units, and in tens there is 10 in one block, right? So we have 3 hundreds, 4 tens. I will draw 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And how many ones? 5. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So let's start. Now, as you can see, this is number 5 and this is number 9. So can we subtract 9 from this number? No, because 5 is small and 9 is a bigger number. So what we will do? We will borrow from tens, right? So now you will see here, we will borrow from tens. This is 110. So it contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. So now 10 and 5. What it becomes? 15. And 4 tens. As 1 is taken away, how many left? 3 tens. So now it's not 3, it's not 4, it's 3. So now let's start our problem. It's very easy now. 15, it's not 5, it's 15 now. 15 minus 9, we will subtract 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will write 6 here. Now we have 6 ones. Here we have 3 tens and 1 ten. So we will subtract, as this is taken away, we have 3. Now we will subtract 1 ten. How many we have got now? 2 tens. So we will write 2 here. And this is 1. So I will also draw here 3 hundreds, and we will take away 2 hundreds. So 100. So our answer is 126. Now this is the method we will solve our problem. Now class, as I have showed you two examples, how to do borrowing and how to do subtraction in thousands and hundreds. So now what you have to do, you have to do page 43, 42 and 44. This is your homework. Do it yourself and I will provide answers also, but first you have to do yourself and then you can match your answer with mine. So let's move to our next question, that is on page 45. And our question is subtract, then color the basket with the answer 178. Okay, so in this question what you have to do subtraction, and the basket which has answer 178, you have to color that basket only. So I will do part A and B, and rest of all the parts you have to do yourself, and I will provide answers, but first you have to do yourself and then you can match your answers with mine. Okay, so let's do part A. This is 875 minus 286. So class, this is ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds. So what we got here, this is 5 and this is 6. So now as you can see, we cannot subtract 5 from 6. 5 is smaller and 6 is a bigger number. So what we will do, we will borrow from here, okay, from tens. So when we borrow 1 from here, it will become 15. Why? Because this is tens. So it will become 15. And as 1 tens have gone away from here, so it becomes 6. So now we will do 15 minus 6. You can do any of the method that you like of subtraction. Suppose I will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and we will subtract 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have 9. So here something is very interesting. We have 6 over here. Can we subtract 6 minus 8? No, we cannot do that. 6 is smaller than 8. So we will borrow from here, and what it will become now? 16 instead of 6. And here we have 7. Okay, so 16 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 here. Now 7 minus 2. What is 7 minus 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we subtract 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 589. Okay? Let's start our next question, that is subtract, cross out the correct number of cubes to find the answer. So it is similar to the one we have done now before. So let's start. Our question is 578 minus 293. I will write 578 like this and 293 like this. Okay. So as you know, subtraction always start from here, from ones. So let's start. 8 minus 3, that means let's I'll draw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'll subtract 3 and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Now let's see here what we got in tens. We have 7 minus 9. Do you think we can do it? I don't think so, because the 9 is a bigger number and 7 is a smaller number. We cannot do it actually. So what we will do, we will borrow 100 from here. So first I will draw this for you. 100 tens and ones. I will start now. First we will draw 8, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we have a 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Now we have 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now, do you know how many tens in 100? So there are 10 tens in 100 and there are 100 units in 100. How many blocks in 1 tens? There are 10 blocks or units in 1 tens. So here we have a smaller number and here we have a bigger number. So we will borrow 100 from here. That means we will borrow 1 cube from here. We will take away 1 cube here. And how many tens in 100? 10. Very good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, we have borrowed 1 from here. Now, this is 17. Okay? We have 17 tens over here. How many tens we have to subtract? 9 tens. So I will take out 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. How many we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 tens. Right? Now, as we have taken away 1 cube, how many cubes are there? 4. So there is 4 cubes. Now, so we will take out 2 cubes, and how many left? 2. So our answer is 285.